Do you believe you can create an AI 3D animation with just a few simple sentences? No need to write complex scripts or use other tools to generate prompts. HitPaw Edimakor is an all-in-one solution that brings all these features together, helping you effortlessly bring any idea to life. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to generate your own AI 3D animation video. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, click the link in the description to download it, then let's start our journey. Step 2. Generate the script. Once installed, click AI Video Generator to get started. Here you can choose your favorite style and the theme. Don't have a script? No problem. Simply type in your rough idea, just a few sentences, and Edimakor will automatically generate a structured script for you. If you aren't satisfied, simply input your revision requests. Once you're happy with it, move on to the next step. Step 3. Generate the Charater. Now Edimakor automatically identifies the characters in your story. Click Create Character to review their settings. If everything looks good, click Generate to create all the characters. Then click Next to start making the animation. Step 4. Generate the 3D animation. Here, you'll see that every scene has been automatically arranged with the correct characters, subtitles, and specific prompts. You don't need to set anything up manually. All we need to do is generate the images. Start with the first scene, select a model, and click AI Generate. In just a moment, your first image is ready. You can also set each character's voice and subtitle style, background music here. Repeat this process for all scenes to bring them to life. After that, switch to the Video tab. Here, I'm selecting the Minimax Hailuo 02 model. Choose your desired duration and resolution, then click AI Generate. Just like that, you've animated your scenes. Repeat this step, and your animation is starting to take shape. Step 5. Add voiceover and music. Now, simply add sound to complete your masterpiece. Yes, you can do this entirely within Edimakor. Select a voice and click Generate Voiceover to add audio.
7-year-old Lila loves...
If the timing doesn't match, just adjust the subtitle content and generate the voice again until you're satisfied. You can also pick a background music track and subtitle style that best fit your animation. If you want to edit the video with more details, just export it and import it into a new project. There, you can add transitions or any other features. And there you have it, a 100% Edimakor created 3D animation video.
7-year-old Lila loves baking cookies, but their golden retriever Max is a sneaky snacker. He's always begging for raw dough. So, Mom decides to teach Lila 3 easy kitchen hacks to keep Max safe while they bake. First, they stuff a Kong toy with peanut butter and freeze it. This keeps Max happily busy for an hour. While he's distracted, they safely mix the cookie dough without any interruptions. Next, they set up a baby gate to create a no-dog zone. Lila holds Max back with a tasty carrot treat. With Max safely outside the gate, they bake the cookies in peace. He watches, but doesn't touch. Finally, they save a cooled piece just for him. Lila feels proud. She's learned real responsibility for her furry family member.
Wasn't that simple? HitPaw Edimakor makes AI creation incredibly efficient and convenient. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your support motivates me to create more tutorials like this.